I have my Volantex P51 Mustang, and wow, just going backwards. Let's see if we can get it going here. I'm thinking I can. Took off the ice. I didn't have to hand launch today. Flying pretty good. Of course, it's they were saying it's about an 8 mile an hour, 9 mile an hour wind with gusts to 17, and I'd say I'm getting the mid-range gusts right now, probably in the low teens, maybe 13. Oh boy, now we definitely got even more. I'd say we're at 17 right now. That is really flying like crazy. And fortunately it let off a little bit. I'm going to try to keep her a little lower. So obviously I don't want it going too far downwind on me. Let's up a little bit, probably down to 8 or 9 now. Put a little heavier battery in. Usually run this with the 420. It's actually a 500 that goes in my Quiddy 560. It fits, so I'm gonna fly it. I wanted a little bit extra weight, not that it gives me much, but the battery bay is not that big, so whatever I can get in there helps. This is the most wind I've ever flown this plane in. Probably, maybe any plane. not a day for touch and goes either. Even with this might be the best surface to fly off of from a wheel perspective out here. Not the bumpy grass that you'd normally get with a soccer field. It's really a lot of ice. There are a lot of footprints though. Oh boy, it's windy. One thing I don't want to do is drift over into the trees behind me.
5 minutes.
Thought I was coming down there. And it picks up again. I am. This is really cool that this little plane flies in this much wind. Low battery, there we go. Kind of figured that with the full throttle. That's full throttle right now, and I'm not doing much. Alright, we're going to bring her down. There we go. And we'll blow backwards and I'll catch it. The Volantex P51 Mustang, 400mm wingspan, flew pretty well in a very stiff breeze.